अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। रब्बिश अली सदरी वयस्सिर li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Yesterday we had finished till verse number 26 of Surah Baqarah. In that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was talking about defiantly disobedient people, fasiq people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, here this is the continuation of the same. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the defiantly disobedient people only here also. Let's start this verse. Allazina yanquzuna. Actually, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is defining here who are fasiq people, who are defiantly disobedient people. So let's start. Allazina. Allazina means those all who. Those who. Allazi means the one who. Allazi means the one who, and its plural part will be allazina, means those all who. Those all who yanquzuna. This ya and this waw noon will give the meaning of they all. Noon, qaf and dod will be its root word. Noon, qaf and dod, it's a root word, means to break. To break. They all break ahadallahi, the covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ahad, ain ha dal is the root word, means promise or covenant. Covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Mim means from, bad, mim bad, from, after, or whenever I told you mim bad comes together, we can take the meaning of after only. Mim plus bad, it gives the meaning of after. After misaqihi, this goes for the covenant. Misaq means its confirmation, its ratification. After the covenant, after its ratification. See what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, the defiantly disobedient people or fasiq people are those who they all break the covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the promise of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, mimbad, after its ratification, after its confirmation. Confirmation is not more suitable word here. After its ratification, after the covenant had become very strong, its actual meaning gives the meaning of treaty. You know what is treaty? Treaty. Wayaqta'una, and yaqta'una, this ya and this waw noon will again give the meaning of they all, and they all. Qata'a is the root word here. Qaf, toy, ain is the root word here, means to cut. To cut. Qata'a means to cut. And they all cut. What else they do? First thing they do is they break the covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after its ratification. And second thing what they do, what defiantly disobedient people they do, and they all cut. Ma means what? Amara means he, one person ordered. What he ordered. Who is he? This he is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered, be he of it. That, and means that, yusala, it should be joined. Okay, it should be joined. What Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered of it, that it should be joined. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that what they all used to do, they all used to cut the relations. Actually Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the relations here. Same thing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about, that what it should be joined. Wayufsiduna. So this is the second thing what they do, the defiantly disobedient people do. Wayufsiduna, and ya and waw noon. This ya and waw noon will again give the meaning of they all. Fasada is the root word here. Fasada means to spread corruption or corruption. Actually it gives the meaning of corruption only. Corruption. Yufsiduna means they all spread corruption. What is, see, most of the time I am giving you the root word. What is root word? Actually in Arabic, what happens is there is a root word of a particular word, and from that root word there are so many, means derived form of the words are also there. So what happens is all the words which are derived from one root word has more or less the same meaning. Okay, so that's why if we know the root word of a particular word, then we can easily find out what is the meaning of that word if we don't know actual meaning. And they all spread corruption Fil earth. So here also see, first ada is the root word here. Ya and waw nun gives the meaning of they all. We all know this. And they all spread corruption. Fil earth, in the earth. Alif lam will give the meaning of the, or earth means earth. In the earth. Ulaika, these people, whom they are. Okay. Al khasirun, again this alif lam will give the meaning of the. Khasir, kha sin ra is the root word here. Kha sin ra means loss. Okay. They are the losers. Okay. They are the losers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that these people, the fasiq people, are those whom they all naqaza, they break the covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after its ratification, and they all cut what ordered Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala of it, that it should be joined, and they all spread corruption in the earth. Third thing what they do, the defiantly disobedient people, they spread corruption in the earth. Okay. Ulaika, these people, they are the losers. Next verse. Okay. Kaifa means how. Interrogative words we had already, no, I think we have not done. In the last verse we got the word maza. Maza means what? Maza aradallahu bihaza masala. In the last verse only we got this word. Maza means what. Ma and maza, they both give the meaning of what. Aina means where. Aina, where. Kaifa, kaifa means how. Kam, kam means how many. These are all interrogative words. Just now I remember this much only. Maza, what. Maza and maza means it gives the meaning of what. Aina means where. Kaifa means how. Kam means how many. What is ayu? Ayu means which. Ayu, ayu means which. Which one is better? So this gives the meaning of ayu. Kaifa, how. Takfuruna, see this again, this ta and this waw noon, it gives the meaning of you all. Takfuruna, this is universal tense. Let's make it series. Here the root word is kaf, fa and ra. Kafara means we all know that it gives the meaning of disbelief. Okay. Let's start the series of universal tense. Yakfuru, third person male, means he, one male person disbelieve or will disbelieve, and its plural will be yakfuruna, means they are all male people, they disbelieve or they all will disbelieve. Okay, then second person it will become takfuru, only ya will be replaced with ta. Takfuru means you, one male person, disbelieve or will disbelieve. Takfuruna means you all male people disbelieve or you all will disbelieve. First person will be akfuru, means I disbelieve or I will disbelieve, and its plural part will be nakfuru, means we disbelieve or we will disbelieve. This now will give the meaning of we. Okay, so here it is this form, takfuruna, ta and waw noon giving the meaning of you all. Kafara means to disbelieve, you all disbelieve. How you all can disbelieve. Billah, be plus Allah, in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wa kuntum, and kuntum, you were. Amwata, dead. Okay, you were dead. For ahyakum, for means mouth word comes here, means dead. And you were dead. For means then. Ahya means he gave you. Kum gives the meaning of you. Then he gave you life. Okay, then he gave you life. Who gave you life? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you life. So ma, ha, ya is the root word here. So ma, then yumitukum, again he will, mouth word comes here, this ya will give the meaning of he, mouth word comes here, he will cause you to die. Then again he will cause you to die. This kum gives the meaning of you. he will cause you to die. Then yuhyikum, this again ya will give the meaning of he, kum means you, hayat word again comes here. Then he will again resurrect you, or he will again give you life. Then ilayhi is addition of two words, ila plus he. Ila means towards, he means him. This he refers to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then towards him, ila plus he, towards him. When they both are joined, it looks like ilai plus he. Okay, towards him, you all. This again, ta and maunun gives the meaning of you all. Raja'a is the root word here. Raja'a is the root word here. It means to return. To return. Okay, you all will be returned. See, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that, can you disbelieve in Allah while you were dead? You all know that you were dead. You were no one. You were nothing. فَأَحْيَاكُمْ, then he gave you life. Then yumitukum, again he will cause you to die. This much we are confirmed. This much we are not. All the people, they are confirmed this much. Okay, they were nothing, they all know this. Okay, they were nothing, they were dead, they all know this. Then they got the life. Okay, this all they all know. Then they will be dying. This everyone is confirmed that every person who is on the earth is going to die. This much part of the verse, all the people, whether they are believer or they are disbeliever, they are all confirmed of this much. Okay, then only the thing which they are not confirmed, the disbelievers, they are not confirmed, is this much part of the verse. Then he will give you life. Then again he will give you life. Summa, then ilayhi, towards him you all will be returned. Only these two parts the disbelievers are not confirmed with. Okay, rest of the parts the disbelievers, all the mankind, the whole human being on this earth, they all know that this much part, they are confirmed with this much part of the verse. Only they are not confirmed with this much part of the verse, that after dying again we will be given life, and then again we will have to be stand before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we have the accountability of what we did in this world. So they are not confirmed with this. Okay, so let's repeat this verse. I hope this verse is clear to you all. Those who they all naqaza, they all break the covenant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala after its ratification, and they all cut what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered of it, that it should be joined, and they all spread corruption in the earth. These people, they are the losers. Kaifa, how you all disbelieve in Allah while you were dead? Then he gave you life. Then he will again cause you to die. Then again he will give you life. Then towards him you all will be returned. Okay, so this was for today. Wa akhiru dawana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.